your mini horoscope for the week. First, we are starting this week on a first quarter moon week. This is great for a continuation of a project that has been started. The full moon is going to come to culmination next week. Key words for this week: creativity, progress, cultivation, and revising. If you notice the moon cycle, you're going to see why those words fit really well with this week. Planets of the week: the Sun and Venus remain in Capricorn. Venus remains in retrograde. You've probably already started to notice this area of your life where you are being called to revamp, reevaluate, restore even something to its greatness. Mercury is going to go in retrograde, and it's already in Aquarius. It's going to go in retrograde on Friday. The moon in Taurus is reminding us to gather, to plan, to take inventory of what we have. Look around you, look at the raw materials, think inwardly of where you already feel stable. By the time we get through the 12th to the 14th, the moon is in Gemini, reminding us to adapt. We may internally or externally have to question some things and speak from the heart in terms of what we need to do to revise. Then once we get to the moon in Cancer, through the 15th to the 16th, we ask ourselves, what is our creation? What do we now feel is on a better path to growing? Keeping in mind that when the moon is in Cancer, that eventually it is going to oppose Venus, calling us to ask ourselves, how do we balance what we internally need and feel versus what we actually value on the outside through the Capricorn and Cancer energy coming together to force us to really look at both ends of the spectrum?